Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. If you're new, I'm Rebecca. Today you're going to be joining me while we do a money saving tip on how to make homemade Bath & Body Works foaming hand soap refills. So I really enjoy Bath & Body Works products. They have lovely soaps and candles and lotions and fragrance mists. But today we're going to go over how to make their foaming hand soap refill. So you need only to purchase the foaming hand soap once, as well as a coordinating liquid hand soap, and I can show you how you can make refills for that foaming hand soap for pennies on the dollar. So let's get to work on this money-saving tip project. So here I have a couple of my favorite fragrances for the hand soaps for Bath & Body Works. I really enjoy the Sunshine and Lemons and the Kitchen Lemon. I had used up the last of my Sunshine and Lemons liquid hand soap the last time I did a refill, so I am going to be using the Kitchen Lemon for this project. But if you do not have Bath & Body Works soap, you can also try your favorite liquid hand soap and see if this works well for you, such as, I know soft soap makes a nice citrus liquid hand soap, or maybe some other liquid hand soap you have lying around the house. The key to this project is the foaming hand soap bottle. That creates the foaming consistency for the soap once it is dispensed. So for creating this recipe, it only requires 2 ingredients. About 1 cup of water, and I like to use a warm water, and 1 tablespoon of the liquid hand soap from Bath & Body Works. This ends up being about 12 pumps from the dispenser, but you could certainly measure it out the first time and to see if you like that consistency for the foaming soap once it comes out of the dispenser. So let's add the soap. And then just stir it together with that water so that the soap can dissolve. And this will be our Bath & Body Works foaming soap solution. So now we'll put it inside of our foaming soap bottle that needs to be refilled. And there you go, a nice foaming soap that smells lovely, just like the Bath & Body Works hand soaps that you have here. So again, all you need to invest in is the foaming soap of your choice and then a coordinating liquid soap. And that liquid soap with water will make numerous different refills for that foaming hand soap in the future. And Bath & Body Works does tend to have some really nice sales on their hand soaps, and they are semi-annual sales. You can get these for just a few dollars a bottle, and then you will have years worth of hand soap for your kitchen, restrooms, wherever you need it. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together while we did this money-saving project where we created a refill for Bath & Body Works foaming hand soap for pennies on the dollar. As I spoke of earlier, there is that initial investment, but with this recipe, for creating the refill with the liquid hand soap, you will have numerous refills of that foaming hand soap for many months to come. If you'd like more inspiration or ideas on money-saving tips and DIY projects, I have a playlist on the topic, so please be sure to check it out. Well, thanks so much for spending time with me today while we did this money-saving tip project. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. And if you enjoyed this or any other video that you watch, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you're having a fantastic day. See you next time. Take care.